Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today's date is 17 August 2021 and today is my video topic is abstraction in Java programming. Abstraction is one of the concept of object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming language provides many concepts such as the polymorphism, encapsulation, and then inheritance, abstraction, and data hiding, etc. I'm here discussing about the abstraction. Let's see what is the abstraction in Java. The abstraction class are those class who have the one method which is not implemented, which means it does not have the class body. The abstract class is declared with the abstract keyword, then it is known as the abstract class. It can have the abstract and non-abstract method also. Let's see what is the abstraction in Java. Basically, the abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. In other we can also say that the abstraction it is a process of hiding. It is a process. It shows only it shows the essential things to the user and hiding the internal process. So this is also called as the abstraction. For example, we send the SMS. For that, we type and text the message and send to the another person. In that example, you don't know the internal process, internal process about the message delivery. So that is the example of the abstraction. Let's see the way to achieve the abstraction. There are two way to achieve the abstraction. First way is abstract class, and the second way is the interface. First, let's see the one by one details about these ways. First one is the abstract class. The a class which is declared as a abstract keyword, then it is known as the abstract class. It is a need to extend it and with the and its method is implemented. It cannot instantiate it. Abstract class must be declared as a abstract keyword, and it cannot have the it cannot be instantiated. It can have the constructor and the static method also. It uses the final method. It can have the final method which will force to not change to the body of the method. Let's see what is the abstraction method. The method declared as a abstraction method, then it is known as the abstraction method in Java. And the abstraction method which is not implemented, so that is also called as the abstraction. Let's see the example of abstraction method. Let's consider the developer class. We create a developer1 class. So in developer1 class, we type the method 1 for the addition, and method 2 for the subtraction, and method 3 for multiplication. But we using in first two method, that is the addition and the subtraction. In addition method, we apply the implementation bodies, that is we write the void add, then bracket open close, then in curly braces sys out the add a plus b. Then for second method, we create the subtraction method, that is the void sub, then sys out, and then we subtract a minus b. Then in third method, we are creating here abstract for the multiplication method, then abstract void mult. Then we does not provide here the implementation body. Then secondly, create the next dev2 class, that is in dev2 class we complete in developer 2 class, we extend with the developer 1. Then in developer 1 abstract class, then in the developer 2 we can complete the implementation body for the multiplication method. And then again we create a abstract method for the division. Then we write the first we write the implementation method for the multiplication. So void mult, bracket open close, then curly braces open. Then we write the sys out statement, and in sys out we print a into b. Then create a abstract method, that is abstract division, bracket open and close. Then again we create a class for dev3, and in dev3 we extend the class, we extend with the dev2 class. Then in dev2 class we does not create the implementation body for the division method. Then in dev3 class we create we write the implementation body, then that is the void division, bracket open and close. Then in curly braces we write the sys out statement, and in sys out we write the a by b. Then we create the main method, and in main method we call the dev3 class. In dev3 we write the dev3 equals to d equals to new dev3 curly bracket, not curly bracket, bracket open and close, and we call the all values of dev3 class. This is the one of the example of the abstraction class. Let's see the another example of the abstraction class. So for example, car steering, horn, accelerator, it shows to driver because they are necessary for the driving. Abstract class in Java is similar to the interface, except that it can contain a default method implementation. Abstract keyword is used to create for the abstract class also and method also. So this all the information about the abstraction in Java programming. Thank you.